I'm literally making this out of just whatever in the kitchen, and you'll have this kind of stuff too. So I love that because you can always make a delicious salad. Now, lots of lemon juice, and I'm going to add some more vinegar. This is a white balsamic, so it has a little bit of sweetness, but still really acidic. And here's a little trick. You take your onions, especially if they're red onions.
Oh, yes!
And drop them in.
Shut up!
Yeah, so it's like a little pickle.
It's like a pickled onion dressing.
So you're doing two things. You're going to pickle the onions, right? And then you're going to put those over the salad. But you're also going to flavour that acid. So a little bit of salt goes in there. And then the fennel is so beautiful too, right? So the fennel, the aniseed sort of flavour. And this is arugula that I'm dressing it over. All I did before...
Nice and spicy rocket lettuce,
right,
yes.
Exactly. I just broke that off.
And just stem a bit, right?
Not too much. A little stem's okay, but you don't want too much.
Gotcha.
Okay, so just give that a second to marinate. And then here are the other things that are going to go in. I've got a little sweetness. I've got honey. I've got a little spice. I've got mustard. And then, of course, my acid is in there. And then the olive oil consists of the fat, and that's what the emulsion's going to be.
Fancy good fat.
All right, so once this onion has had a minute or so in there, we're going to just sprinkle that onion straight over the top, raw, right? That little pickle will give it beautiful flavour. Doesn't matter if there's a few bits still floating around.
No, it's fine. You shake it up.
Just shake that everywhere.
Shake it everywhere.
A little mustard, a little honey. And you can literally just do this in a jar. You don't even need a whisk or anything else.
No, right. I love the jar thing. I have so many mason jars and shaky, squish bottles. I love the squish bottles too. It looks like I'm obsessed or a little bit crazy. I got a lot of them.
And then I've got some lemon zest, which gives another little dynamic of flavour, and some more parsley.
And a little grassy parsley.
Love that grassy parsley.
You're so friendly, grassy parsley.
Okay, get that in there.
What's this guy? Are you going to use this guy?
Oh, yes, and then I got this out because I saw a little spice going in yours, so I was like, pepperoncini. So just a little bit of spice.
Delightful.
Right, a little bit, a lot. I like a lot.
Shush you! I love you.
You get that in, and then you shake it, baby.
Yeah!
You get that quick little emulsion, right? So see how it goes all creamy.
Look at that. It's all nice and creamy looking. That's sexy. I know.
If you want it even creamier, you could put an egg yolk in there, but I'm not going to bother because I think this is going to be
so delightful.
Fabulous. A little bit more salt.
Delightful.
If you want to hit some Parmesan, you've got some Parmesan cheese.
Okay. All right.
Okay. And then that's it. You don't have to toss it. When people pick it up with them, they will toss it. Done.